Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay. My name is Esther and he is
Daude.
Okay, thank you guys.
Daude.
Oh god. Thank
I'm
you.
here to frustrate you today.
You started again today.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. And also don't forget to like and comment on our videos, share our videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much.
I think we need to do a song for newcomers.
What kind of song?
I don't know. I know we can't sing, but I think we should just try and like some FPD kind of something for like.
Maybe you want to sing for them.
You are welcome.
Good. Baby, back to the video. Very interesting topic because we've gotten so much messages and comments because of it, and we would like to, talk about it. And that is PDA.
PDA.
So maybe.
Yeah, PDA. We all know the meaning, like public display affection. Yeah, it's kind of related to the ups and downs going on in going on now on social media of couples just
breaking up
and also like a friend of ours like kind of messaged and they were having like kind of conversation about PDA, and she said it's wrong to display your relationship. Like, not wrong, but it's not cool for you to display your relationship to the public.
Yeah.
Like, she feels it's wrong to kind of display your relationship to the public. So.
And like, aside from that, I also got some DMs on Instagram about it. Like, so I just felt like it's better for us to just address the issue.
Our own opinion, quite.
Yeah, our own opinion about it. Because a lot of people think that when you display your affection for your partner on social media whatsoever, it makes the relationship, I don't know, it breaks the relationship, that you guys wouldn't last long, and then the relationship is over because you publicly display your affection.
I don't know, most let's say young partners right now are kind of scared of what they see on social media. So the fear of people showing their relationship. They feel, okay, now I'm seeing this couple that I respected a lot, now they're going their different ways. Is it because they display their affections, that they're always showing these relationship goals? Now where are they going to start from? Where are they going to go from? For us personally, we feel you displaying your relationship to the public or not doesn't define the outcome of your relationship.
It doesn't. Seriously,
it doesn't display the outcome of your relationship.
If your relationship is going to end or is going to break,
it will break.
It will break. If you wish to hide it somewhere or hide it wherever, if you don't want anybody to know about it, if it wants to break, it will break. If either of you is going to end up doing something silly to break up the relationship, it will end up happening. I've been into relationships that no one knew about, and it ended up not working.
If you like, you package your relationship and put it under the rock. If you break, you break.
It ended up not working. So I really don't see the big deal of publicly showing off your partner if you
related to your relationship. The only thing I see is this: when you display your relationship, and this is where most people get scared, is this: the reason why you end up seeing all these relationships is because of you see it on social media. So you feel like, oh, I respect this person. They know their relationship is going too sweet and it all looks rosy and perfect. Whereas we are all forgetting these people are humans. One of them might end up making a mistake in the future and the whole thing goes south. It doesn't mean they didn't love each other at first or when they were posting it on social media.
Exactly, that's one thing.
They might have really, really loved each other, but something might have happened along the way that ended up causing the two of them going their different paths. So you don't have to pick the bad side of it. Why not just pick the good side of it and just stick to the good side of it? It happens. We are all human. The thing can be going sweet now. Then one of us should just fuck up and just do something that will just say, okay, I don't think I can take it any longer. We are sorry.
Yeah, and then it's over. There's no big deal about this.
You just need to accept the fact that it has happened, and you appreciate the moment you've shared
together.
Appreciate that moment you've shared together, and you cherish that moment. And anything that happens, you just take it as it happens. It's going to be difficult. Yeah. Don't get us wrong. Very, very, very difficult. You will cry. You can even shed blood if possible. But this main thing is, it happens. We are human. This is life. So don't hide your relationship because of you're having the fear of too many eyes will be on you guys.
And because of that, it's going to end up breaking. I think, baby, if you feel personally that you feel like privately you don't want to show anybody who you're going out with, you don't want to show anybody your partner, it's your choice. Fine, but don't come telling people that showing off your partner or you guys being open about your relationship is going to make the relationship break. I do not believe in that.
We strongly don't believe in that.
We strongly don't believe in that. Trust me, if either of us ends up doing something crazy tomorrow, and we can't stand each other, or we can't stand to forgive whatever the person has done, it might end up breaking. And that's one thing I think we should just learn about life. There are times that things go rosy, and there are times that things go
south and
things go bad. Yeah.
And you don't have to think life is that bad and blame everybody for it, or start blaming each and every. It happens. And if something goes wrong, just accept it.
And doesn't mean that when things were rosy, it wasn't rosy. It was definitely rosy.
It was going well.
When things were going well, it was definitely going well. Now that it's bad, it is bad. So there's no big deal about couples breaking up. It's not today couples have actually been breaking up and relationship going bad if he wants to. So
many things could have led to their breakup. Many things we don't even know the deep down truth about might have led to the breakup. So we don't know.
Exactly. So don't just paint this perfection thing in your head that I know these two couples are together, and like if anything ends up happening and you're like, oh, so all the things they've been showing on social media of them being happy together, they were never happy from the beginning. No. That's not true. If two people were not in love with each other initially, they'll definitely not ask each other out and then
want to be showing it on social media, right?
So shit happens, man.
It really happens. So we should try and learn that part of us and to accept some bad sides of life and stop judging your relationship because of it in public. One thing I told her recently is, if what is going on in your relationship in public doesn't have to do with anybody on social media.
Oh.
If you come and you post your relationship on social media, it's just there. People just scroll, they see it and they double like and they go. They double click, like and go. Tomorrow, if anything goes on between, one thing I said, your relationship ends up crumbling because of what you guys have done.
Not because of social media.
Public did to you guys. It's because of what you guys have done. It's your action that led to your breakup, not social media. So don't get it wrong. You showing it is because of the reason why we are all reacting to somebody's breakup right now is because we are seeing it.
Exactly.
It's because you are seeing it. Don't get many people relationships are crumbling that they are not in public. You are not just seeing their own. That's the thing. But if you are seeing it and it crumbles, because you are seeing it, it's not their action that led to your own breakup. So don't come and be telling people that, or you come and you have the mentality in your head that you displaying your relationship. My dear, if your relationship want to break, it will break. I've said it before, it will break.
If you like, keep it so. Like, seriously.
If you like, you fold it inside the carton, you wrap the carton, put it in another carton, it will break.
If either of you wants to fuck up somehow, it's going to happen.
It's going to happen if you want to fuck up. Break. You guys will fuck up and it is going to break. Public will not know anything about it. After when the whole thing had happened, you will hear stories like, if we heard she did something like this, we heard he did something like this. That's what public we fall into, not when the issue is on ground, when it is going on. We don't even know anything that is going on in most people's life. It's when the story comes out, we end up finding out, so these two, they've gone their separate ways, these two are quarreling. So if you don't
I just feel like people should just let people be. If you feel like displaying your affection for each other, it's because you both love each other and you enjoy doing it. You enjoy doing it. Like, sometimes I wake up and find Boo uploads my picture on Instagram and says things like that. To me, it gives me so much joy. I feel loved and I feel that,
cherish the moment.
I feel cherished, exactly. So if that doesn't work for you, that's okay. Your relationship.
It's okay, but don't do it based on fear of you are scared the public would I don't know. Like you're scared the public will end your relationship. Does that make sense? To me, it doesn't make sense. But you're scared of you putting it out there. Your relationship is going to crumble.
If it crumbles, see, there's no big deal about it. If it crumbles, it crumbles. Everybody's going to talk about it 1 or 2 days, 1 week.
1 month.
It's over. Trust me. If it's even a public thing, it helps everyone to know that hey, this girl is free. This guy is free. If you guys want to come in and try your luck,
you try.
They're open. But on a more serious note, it's social media doesn't define if your relationship would last long or not.
Sometimes she has the fears. Sometimes I used to tell her, why pick the negative side?
Exactly.
Why not pick the positive side? I know many couples on YouTube. Like for example, Davel now.
Yeah.
I know most of you might know Davel. Their relationship is going well. But now, why not pick those ones that their relationships on social media and they are still going fine?
Exactly.
We have this Salama, Muslim couples like that. We also follow them. Their relationship is going fine. Each and every day, the guy appreciates his wife on social media. You have Justin Bieber and his babe. See, this thing, there are people that bring their relationship out and they are enjoying it.
They're enjoying it and it makes them feel
good.
Pick
the positive side of it. Don't stick to the negative side and say because of somebody's own is crumbling. You are scared your own is going to crumble. My dear, don't be scared. Be free with yourself. Enjoy
do whatever makes you
Enjoy
happy. That's actually what I say. If you know PDA makes you happy, my dear, don't do it
out of fear.
If you know being private makes you guys happy, do it. Do whatever makes you happy. Don't get pressured by people and start saying. I just remembered just the no.
Yeah. You have to just enjoy.
Get out. So as I was saying, just don't be scared about what people would say. Don't be scared about displaying my relationship. Tomorrow if it goes away, everyone is going to be like, oh,
it's going to be difficult, we know. It will look like you want to commit suicide. But still, don't commit suicide. Just tell it's life.
Things happen, shit happens.
Trust me.
People die, relationship breaks, everything.
We've gone through some crazy shits in the past. Maybe that's why we are sounding crazy like this. But trust me, it happens. It happens. It happens.
And trust me, it happens. So let me continue with you. It happens. Because at the end of the day, I do see some things on social media, and then some people, sorry to say, end up losing their partner, and then they come online and start uploading a lot of pictures about their partner and be like, I wish I really appreciated you more when you were alive. I wish I made the whole world know how much I loved you. I wish I made the whole world know how much we were in love, but I'm sorry I couldn't display so much affection. Now that you are gone, I wish this, I wish that. I'm like,
don't wish.
Don't wish. Do it while the person is alive. Do it while you guys are in love. Do it while you guys are together. If anything ends up happening, fine. And if you guys stay till forever, good. So please,
so let's hope. She's done ranting, and the thing has been on her mind.
Yeah, it has been on my mind.
That's why she's more ranting. The last video I ranted, but today it's on her mind.
It has been on my mind because like so much opinions of people about your relationship and saying. And about reacting to couples breaking up, like these couples are image of perfection, which is not true.
You see this couple and we all have this image of damn,
these couples are so perfect.
We are not perfect. Everybody, I know. We are not perfect. That's the point. Each and every day we are working towards perfection.
Exactly.
We are working to be perfect. So we are not perfect. So we can end up making mistakes today. Tomorrow, it depends on you if you want to forgive and move on. Fine. If you don't want to forgive and end, it's okay. Just do what makes you happy. Think that you feel deep down inside your heart, this decision I am making, I don't care what ends up happening, but I'm happy I'm making this decision now.
No.
And that's it. So I think that should be a wrap, right?
Yeah.
So once again, thank you very much
for watching.
And if you have any opinion, we usually say we love those that usually drop comments. So if you have any opinion towards it, we are just ranting our own. Is it unpopular opinion? I better to say. How do you guys say unpopular opinion? It's our unpopular opinion. So if you guys whatever, so if you guys want, just drop your opinion, your own unpopular opinion.
What's your problem?
And we'll just think alike. I know. So that's it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And please do not forget to like and comment and share with your family and friends.
Do they like on YouTube?
Yeah, they do, baby.
Okay, sorry. So like, comment.
Alright guys, thank you so much.